Hey everyone, Gray here, and I wanted to come on real quick in between the festivities of this holiday weekend and kind of week per se, and say hello to everyone and wish everyone a happy Independence Day. It is a glorious day. A lot of times we get to spend time with family and do barbecues and go fishing and go boating, or just watch fireworks and have a great time with family members, making memories that will last through the end of time. So happy 4th of July. Independence Day to all you wonderful Gray community members out there, as well as anybody else that is on the channel that happens to come across this video. Now, another reason I wanted to make this quick little thing here is I wanted to give you a heads up of what's going on moving forward over the next few days and well into the next few weeks. I want to talk about a few giveaways, I want to talk about some live streams, and what my schedule is looking like and what you can expect over the month of July and August. I have this extensive schedule here ahead of me that I'm trying to adhere to, but you know how it gets sometimes because life gets you busy. Anyways, first of all, live streams. I'm going to be doing a live stream next Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is my normal time slot, but I'm going to try to do at least 2 or 3 live streams in the month of July. Hopefully I can get those out. And in those live streams, that's when we're going to be doing some of these giveaways. In regard to the giveaways, I have giveaways set up through a couple of companies, one through Olight, one through Blue Yeti, and there may be several others yet to come. And usually I will do those on the live streams. Now, there is a trick to some of these giveaways. When I do a video, in that video, there'll be a little icon, and I'll put it somewhere here on the screen. But when you see this icon on the thumbnail, that most likely means there's going to be a giveaway announcement in that video, and that's usually what we're going to draw from, is comments underneath that video. So I know I have one from Olight and I know I have one from Blue Yeti already scheduled on the board. So stay tuned for those to make sure that you're part of those live streams if you're curious of winning maybe a flashlight or possibly a portable power station and whatnot. That being said, it's Prime Day. Prime Day is coming around the corner. I think it starts tomorrow through the week of, I don't know, the 15th. Prime Day, it used to be just a day. Now it's like several days. Sometimes these companies just run these specials through, a whole week. And I know I have a couple of them starting tomorrow. I will touch on EcoFlows tomorrow in tomorrow's video. I know I got some by Obi, which is the sister company to Olight. We'll be looking at an axe and some really cool stuff. Also, Olight has one, like I said, Blue Yeti, and a few others I think I have listed down here, but we'll try to go through those videos. Usually I like to spread them out at least every other day or whatnot. We got all kinds of interesting reviews on the channel, from industrial strength vacuum sealers to dehydrators to interesting little mason jar sealers to what else do I got on here? Even an e-bike, folks, an e-bike. And an e-bike, before I even decided to go ahead with this review of the e-bike, I was like, I wanted to reach out to a few other content creators in the emergency preparedness mindset of things and ask them what their perspective on it was, and they were like, actually, those things can come in extremely handy, and they suggested a few channels to watch and a few reviews to watch on some of these equipment like e-bikes. And I was like, that makes a lot of sense. So I was like, okay, that works. So I decided to accept the offer from one of these companies and review one of their products. We have some interesting power stations to go over. I think this might be the biggest one yet. It's a 3,000 watter. It's simplistic, but efficient. I'll give it that, man. And I think it's made in Japan, honestly. I know a lot of times we see a lot of companies out of China and whatnot that make a lot of these portable power stations and whatnot. And yes, for all you guys playing the drinking game of whenever I say whatnot, take a drink. I got a comment a while ago and I thought it was funny. Someone wrote, how many times are you going to say that in the video, and I'm going to take a drink? And I said, well, by the end of this video, you probably won't remember your last name. Anyways, we got, I think I see one of these things, it's almost like a military grade, kind of like a spy type of portable power station. You'll see it once I get the review, and I think that one's going to be out in August. Even Opus decided to send me something, and it asked me if I could do a review on it. I can give my thoughts and feedback on it. And there's some things I like and I don't like about it, but we'll go over that in the review. So we got also, I'm looking down here at the paperwork, and we have what is it, a irrigation system, you know what I mean, like drip irrigation system, something that they want me to review. I've had that one for a while. I just haven't had the finances to build a second bed, but I've come up with some ideas in regards to doing that. So I owe them some stuff like that. Because on this piece of paper, some of them says due date ASAP, which is funny. And that's the reason I have this in front of me, so I can kind of look at this and see what the schedule is looking like now through August. And there'll be things involved in there. I know the Seminole pumpkins are coming along greatly. The beans are coming along. We got some work to do in the garden as the summer heat decides to get worse and worse and worse. Supposedly we got some rain coming and whatnot. But anyways, folks, I don't want to take up too much of your time because I will ramble all day long. And I'm assuming Lady Grey, the wife, is probably in the next room wondering, are you done with that video yet? We have places to be and things to do. So, and I'm assuming you do as well. So much love to the entire Grey community. Thank you so much for just taking a few minutes out of your time of your day and watching this. Now you're in the know, so whenever you see that little icon pop up, you'll know that there's going to be a giveaway involved. I did mention it in a live stream a while ago, but I figured I'd mention it again on this quick video for the folks that took the time to watch it. So be prepared. Anyways, God bless everyone out there. Please be safe. Enjoy the time that you have with the folks that you care about the most. And again, make those memories. Other than that, folks, this is GreyMan. I'm out. I'll see you guys in a rebound. God bless you all. God bless America. And thank you so much for watching.